Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Intuitive Healing. My name is Bianca and today I'm going to talk about what is light language. So light language to me is an expression of vibration and frequency that is presented through or expressed through the human body in various ways. The most common known term that light language is used for is actually a spoken language, which can sometimes sound like gibberish or sound like a different language, and they represent a frequency or code that people are able to channel. If anybody's watched Harry Potter, for example, when he speaks puzzle tongue, I think it is, and he's speaking to the snake, that's a form of light language. Some people relate it to speaking in tongue, and I've known of people who have gone to places and sacred areas or even like indigenous sites and just started channeling a certain language, and they don't know what it is. They term it as light language, but somebody hearing it actually says that was an ancient language spoken in that area. So we are energetic beings, and as such, when we're open, when our channels are open, we can pick up the vibrations and frequencies that are in particular areas, or in even just in a house. You know, a house has a frequency, has a vibration, especially where trauma's left. There's a lot of energy that can be stuck there, or where a lot of love, something done with a lot of emotion. So other forms of light language can come through movement of the body, like Kundalini. When your Kundalini is awakened, your body can move and Shakti is risen. And also through art, and it's kind of like a light language coded art. It has light codes embedded in the art. The way I personally receive light language is I actually see it, being clairvoyant, having the gift of seeing in my third eye. I actually see the light codes, I see the colors, and I can actually see them, and I often receive them as blocks of light just kind of entering my head, and then me understanding a whole bunch of, like an encyclopedia of knowledge that I didn't have before the light entered my head. I know that sounds really weird, but that's how I receive light language. And it doesn't necessarily come through as a different language. It's like my brain's able to translate whatever the light says, and then I just speak it. So it's kind of like a form of channeling, a translated light language. So I hope that helps you. Now that I've made, in collaboration with my girlfriend Ivy Rivett, who's done incredible light coded art for my light language cards that were channeled, I thought I should do a video on what is light language, because a lot of people are asking. So I hope that explains a bit. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment, or look up on my website or Ivy's website. She does incredible movement, light language movement and artwork as well. So I'll put her details in the description box. Peace, love, happiness to you all. The light I see in you is the light I see in me. We are one radiant light. Namaste.